Hi, I'm Amber Werchon, Director of Amber Werchon Property and the Sunshine Coast Zone Chair for the REIQ. Today I welcome you to our summary of the Sunshine Coast property market, covering the June quarter for 2016, which has continued to shine even in what are traditionally our slower months. The air of positivity surrounding the Sunshine Coast residential property market remains and is driven by the large number of residential projects on the horizon, including the $3 billion Harmony development in Palmview, which commenced just last month, and the $3 billion Aura City of Colour project in Caloundra South. In addition to the development activity in the Sunshine Coast residential sector, there are also significant infrastructure projects, creating a variety of job opportunities and injecting millions of dollars into the local economy. The $1.87 billion Sunshine Coast University Hospital is scheduled for completion in April next year, and the upgrade of the highway from Brisbane to Gympie has an estimated budget of $490 million. Other projects such as Sun Central in Maroochydore, Sunshine Coast Light Rail, and the rejuvenation of Caloundra CBD are just some of the exciting new ventures that are enhancing confidence in the future health of our region. During the June quarter, the Sunshine Coast house market increased by 1% in median sale price from the previous quarter to $525,000. Statistics show that the annual median sale price, which was $515,000, is 4.7% higher than the June quarter last year and 13.2% higher than the 5 years ago. The largest activity in the house market remained in the price range between $500,000 and $1 million. House buyers in the region were primarily families and couples downsizing, first home buyers and people relocating from the southern states, and we also saw more investors return to the market after the federal election. The unit market performance is dependent on location and quality, and during the June quarter, units developed with an owner-occupied target market appeared to perform well, while small holiday units with large body corporate fees seemed to struggle. We saw the higher sales activity in the region reported in units priced between $350,000 and $500,000. The unit market has softened slightly, however it is worth noting that the annual median price of $370,000 remains 5.7% higher than the June quarter 5 years ago. The rental market on the Sunshine Coast remains strong throughout the quarter, with high demand in vacancy rates dropping to levels below 1.5%. Weekly rents increased moderately for 3-bedroom houses and 3-bedroom townhouses, whilst weekly rent for 2-bedroom units remained relatively unchanged. Local real estate agencies on the coast were searching for more rental properties during the quarter to meet the demand. Our agents at Amber Werchon Property have enjoyed another very successful quarter with many outstanding results achieved, including breaking street and complex records, plus significant auction sales well above the reserve, in addition to lower than average days on market for our sellers. Agents Gareth Lee Ferrari and Tristan Brown broke a complex record of nearly a decade in the C-Shapes complex in 4th Avenue Cotton Tree. The price they achieved was the highest price ever in the building for a 2-bedroom unit, and it was a cash unconditional sale, after a massive 4 offers within the first week. Corinne Wright continues to dominate in the Mount Coolum market, securing amazing results, achieving $1.025 million for 24 Ocean Keys Crescent, Mount Coolum, which was the first non-beachfront property in Boardwalk to break $1 million. Corinne also sold 4 of 15 Melville Court, Mount Coolum for $315,000 within just 16 days. REIQ Residential Sales Agent of the Year Mark McGill teamed up with myself to sell 30 George Street, Alexandra Headland, which sold under the hammer for $855,000. This was an original 1960s beach shack that needed significant repair. There were 12 registered bidders at the auction, and it sold to a relative of a resident within the same street. Mark McGill and Daniel Mendez sold 3 Heath Glen Court, Little Mountain, which sold under the hammer for $567,000, a $62,000 increase from what the sellers paid just 6 months prior. Mark McGill also sold 84 Budrum Avenue, Alexandra Headland under the hammer for $915,000. These are just a few of the examples of the exceptional results our team continue to achieve week in and week out. With spring now well and truly sprung, the market continues to remain buoyant and we are looking forward to seeing the region continue to prosper. Thanks for watching.